We just wanted somewhere where we could move in, the finish was going to be perfect, and it's exactly what we've got. Underfloor heating to me is probably the best thing I could have got in a house, and for it to be included is just
huge.
Yeah. What attracted me to buying a Red Row home was how easy the sales transition was of our previous home to this home. They helped us with the Help to Sell scheme, which made everything, it took a lot out of our hands, which was just lovely because it is quite a stressful time.
It just took a lot of pressure off us. They were basically technically the middle guys between the estate agents and then Red Row. They constantly kept in touch with us, and it just took a lot of pressure out of our hand. You just spoke to the Help to Sell, and they were like,
they were on
it right away.
Yeah.
They were like, don't worry, we're well on top of it.
We lived in a second-hand property, and we moved into that house thinking we won't need to do anything to it, and when we moved in, we needed to do loads to it. So we just wanted somewhere where we could move in, the finish was going to be perfect, there was going to be nothing we had to do. It's exactly what we've got.
You'd always think, oh, we're going to do this, we're going to get a new kitchen, and then that's it, and then we're done, and then you do the new kitchen, like, well, now we need a new bathroom, we'll need new windows and doors, whereas now it just feels like there isn't any of that. I found a massive weight off your shoulders.
Yeah, walking into the house and everything's done, it was just lovely. It was just like, oh my gosh. The house type we chose was Shaftesbury. One of the main reasons we chose this house was the living kitchen area. It's just so open and massive, and it's got loads of windows, so it lets a lot of light in, and I love having loads of natural light in a room. I think it's just really nice and makes you feel better. Everything
is electric, there's no gas, no gas hob, no gas fire, no boiler, so everything's electric, like the air source heat pump, the hot water is instant and it's a good pressure.
I was really shocked at how quickly the shower would heat up, and the powerfulness of it as well. It's great for washing your hair. Hair washes dead quickly.
In our old house, the boiler was 10 or so years old, like you'd hear it fire up, it was noisy, whereas now it's all nice and quiet. You don't know that it's upstairs heating away.
Underfloor heating to me is probably the best thing I could have got in a house, and for it to be included is just...
Included as standard, is massive.
As standard, yeah, it's just absolutely
You haven't had to pay extra for it or anything like that. It's just a given, isn't it? It's huge.
Yeah, I'm almost like looking forward to it going a bit colder to see what it's like, and walk in, it'd be nice and warm on my feet. Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna have to wait long.
No. What I would say to somebody thinking of buying on Ledsham Garden Village is just to go down to the sales office, see what they're offering. If you think, if you're and ahhing, just go for it. And yeah, it's a lovely house. We've had a really lovely experience.